If you're thinking of remodeling your bathroom, most likely you're asking yourself, what is this actually going to cost me? And I get it. If you're planning a tub to shower conversion, a tub replacement, or a walk-in safety tub, you want some real answers, not just vague estimates or surprises down the road. Hi, I'm Trent Stone, the owner of LJ Stone Company. And in this video, I'm going to break down what our projects typically cost, what might affect that number, and what's included. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of the way we price things and what to expect as our customer. So what actually drives that cost? It really comes down to four key factors. First, the size of your bathroom. Bigger spaces naturally require more materials and more labor, which increases the overall investment. Second, the scope of the work. If we're doing a straightforward tub or shower replacement, that's fairly simple. If your project requires adjustments to your home's structural, plumbing, or electrical, it's obviously going to add some complexity to your model, which will increase your investment. Third, the materials you choose. From wall systems and bases to fixtures and finishes, there's a wide range of options. Staying with standard selections keeps things more budget-friendly. Premium materials are going to elevate the look and long-term durability. And fourth, customization. Things like built-in seating, grab bars, shelving, niches, accessibility upgrades are all designed around your needs, and those personal touches play a role in the final price. Our goal is simple. We want to help you create a safer, more comfortable bathroom without confusion, pressure, or surprises. That's why we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all pricing. We believe in accurate, transparent pricing after we understand your project. Now, to make things simple, we've structured our pricing into three clear tiers. Standard, $10,000 to $14,000. This is a solid, reliable remodel. Essential safety, functionality upgrades. Great choice if you want a clean, straightforward transformation. Advanced is $14,000 to $18,000. This tier adds more design flexibility, some upgrades to materials, enhanced comfort features, kind of a balance between style and function. And lastly, our premium, which is $18,000 to $22,000 for showers, walk-in tub conversions, things of that sort. This is our top tier option. More customization, more comfort, the highest levels of finish and accessibility. When discussing with your designer, remember that size, scope of the work, materials, and customization will shape the total cost of your project. At LJ Stone, we take pride in knowing it's not just about the price, it's about knowing the process your brand new bathroom's cost is backed by. With every project, we provide a 5-star design of your remodel, the project planning, the ordering and coordination of your chosen materials, complete demolition and rebuild all the way down to the studs if necessary, any as-needed updates to your already in-place plumbing. Installation is then led by one of our expert craftsmen. They average 15 years of skilled experience. And stamped and sealed lifetime warranties on the materials and workmanship with no hidden cost. We understand that budget's a real concern for most homeowners. At LJ Stone, we promise when we give you that down to the penny price, there won't be any surprises, period. So at the end of the day, remodeling your home should be rewarding and exciting. Now that we've laid the pricing groundwork out for you, it's time to explore the endless possibilities. Schedule your free in-home consultation. We'll examine your space, discuss your overall goals, give you a clear, down-to-the-penny price tailored specifically to your project. Thanks for considering LJ Stone Company. Good people, great remodeling since 1967.